Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today is Thursday, February 26th, 2015. Today I made about 10% on XONE, really buying it just 2 days ago. And I want to go through the reasoning behind it. But before I do that, folks, I just have to be proud and show this. Again, our members, congratulations to you guys. Take a look at the Research Center track record. And again, this is the Research Center track record for 2015. You can see 2015, the drop down right here. But bottom line is, look at that. For this year alone, 214.39% gain. I'm proud because we broke the 200% level, which was my goal before the end of February. So basically, we're averaging over 100% per month return. And what I always like to say, again, even if you only put 10% of your money in each position, you're still up basically over 20% for the year. You know, that is amazing, folks. There's no hedge funds doing that type of thing. You're on pace for 120% return at that rate per year. Crazy stuff. Anyways, the trade today I closed out was XONE. There's my XONE entry long. This was the date I entered it 2 days ago. Entry price, and exit date right here for a 9.5% profit. Going to the chart, folks, why did I do it? Well, a couple different reasons here. This is a little unusual for me, but I want to show you exactly what we got here. So, number one, big move up, and then you have a retrace of consolidation. We pierced here, and that was a very good retrace. You actually have a Fibonacci retrace, which is something I use on occasion to kind of denote key levels. But also what I liked was that 3D Systems was going to report earnings this morning, and I knew that. So I didn't want to buy 3D because that's too much risk. If 3D reported bad earnings and really got crushed, I'd be in trouble, right, if I just bought it ahead of earnings. But what I did was I bought an ancillary 3D printing stock, XONE. Okay, and this way, if it's bad earnings, maybe XONE goes down a little bit, but again, you're very close to double bottom support. There's not much downside risk there. The stock, again, if you look at the larger term time frame, it's so cheap at this point. So I felt very much more protected. And then on the same side, I said to myself, listen, if 3D goes up on earnings, well, the XONE is a thinner stock. So you're going to get a bigger bang for your buck on that direction, okay? And ultimately, that's exactly what happened. I sold it above 16 today when the stock was up about 8% on the day, while 3D Systems at the most was up about 6% on the day. So it was a beautiful kind of like telltale sign here, and it really enabled me to maneuver and make the most money with the least amount of risk. And I know this is something that's probably new to you guys on hearing this. A lot of amateurs out there would just be like, oh, well, I'll just buy 3D Systems. Well, if you think about it correctly and you find the right chart pattern, the bullish consolidation here and so forth, you can actually put yourself in a position where you actually can even get more reward for good earnings on 3D, even though you're not buying 3D. And then on the same side, you can do on the opposite, limit your risk. And that's what I did here. And again, that's what I try to do in the Research Center, and I really help our members here profit very nicely. So again, come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Learn these methods. We're giving webinars every month, guys, on proprietary technical analysis. Look at the track record. It speaks for itself. Take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center. I'd say that's the easiest thing to do right there. 7-day free trial. No obligation, folks. Come join us. Check us out. And again, members are just cleaning up in 2015.